Okay guys, here we go again. Ito na naman yung aking bagong video. Papakita ko lang yung mga iba't ibang uri ng mga medyas na pang-abre look, okay? Tingnan niyo yung aking nail polish. Oh, di ba? Ayan yung mga design na pwede nyo rin gawin. Actually, hindi ko na yan pinakita sa YouTube. Pero gawin nyo na lang din po. Ang ganda, di ba? Pang rock on. Okay, so here we go. I show you some other my stuff. My shopping last day, ang mga medyas na convert na lang natin sa peso. Okay? I-convert natin sa peso. Meron dito yung 300 pesos, 600 pesos. Yung mas mahal na nabili ko ay siguro yung 600 pesos. Yun. Yung pang boots siya. Kasi syempre, fall na. Dapat po normal. Medyo mainit na. Okay? So, here we go. Watch lang kayo and then kinig po kayo sa music. Ice, ice, baby. Yeah. Woo! Siyempre, konting story siya. Kulay orange yung look ko ngayon. Orange na orange. Siyempre, ako pa rin yung master girl.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. I sit back with my friends and bitch and something. Grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Yo, I don't know, turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Damn, crush a speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. When I'm playing dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better just think how the game don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
Okay? Dali, off natin yung Nalang natin konti.
Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the
Okay, ayan ha?
to the point, no faking.
Right.
MCs like a pound of bacon, burning them.
Ganda, no?
Quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll. It's time to go solo. Rolling. Hear my 5.0.
Ganda ba? May heart siya, di ba?
Air can blow. The girl
And
stay
family
wild,
ko
but
dito
the
sa...
No, I just drove by, kept on. Pursuing to the next stop. I left the left and I'm headed to the next block. The block was dead, yo.
It's
So I
my
came to
shoes.
A1A.
Lagay siya dito, right?
Wearing less than bikinis. Rock men lovers, driving Lamborghinis.
Aha.
Cause I'm out getting mine.
Woohoo!
Shades
Diba?
with the kids and vanilla with the
So, I wait for summer, so ganito ako umakad sa labas, sumoli. Nabuhay niya ako, may phone na ako. By the way,
Slammed on the gas, bumper to bumper, that pack. I'm trying to get away before the jack is jack. Police on the scene, you know what I mean?
ito yung isa, okay?
If there was a problem, yo,
Okay,
I'll
right
solve
here.
it. Check out the hook when my DJ revolves it.
Alright. Woohoo! Okay, may isa pa po.
Take heed, cause I'm a lyrical poet. Miami's on the scene, just in case you didn't know it. My town, that created all the bass sound. Another shake and kick holes in the ground, cause my style's like a chemical spill. Feasible rhymes you can vision and feel. Conducted in form,
naman.
a concept. We make it hype, and you want us to print this. Shape place on
My
the scene,
heart.
slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say, damn, a rhyme
That's
of
it.
drug, I sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose. Magnetized by the mic while I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while DJ revolves it.
Ayan lang siya, oh.
Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.
Ayan. So, ito, pwede mong gamitin ng mini skirt. Ayan. Pwede ka mag-mini skirt dito eh. Diba? Ang ganda. Form na. Eh, ito yung mga 400 pesos isa. Ang ganda. Naka-Victoria's Secret ako. Ayan, oh. B. Oh! Ano ba? Okay, kasi dahil sa US tayo, dapat ganyan ang ayos. Yan. Dapat ganyan dapat naglalakad sa kage. Jokes lang. Mga pagkain ninyo.
Collaborate and listen. I sit back with my brand new invention. Something.
Okay.
Grabs a hold of
So,
me.
paano?
Flow like a harpoon.
Marami pa. Meron pa akong left na
To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal.
na
Stage and wax
tawag
jump like a candle. Dance. Crush a speaker that
Na mga medyo.
in your brain like a poisonous mushroom.
Burn.
When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best in the felony. Love it or leave it. You better gain weight. You better hit bulls out of kids don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check
Yung
out
po ang mga problem. Okay, may nagbigay po kasi sa akin ng roses. Ayan. Diba? Panalo ko sa roses. Isang buka yan eh. Ayan. Tapos eto pa. Ganda, no? Wala lang. Pakita ko lang bakit. Oh, ganda, diba? Tapos lalagay ko lang dito sa may gilid ng tenga ko, lalabas ako. Di mukha na akong si Talia. Ganda, diba? Tapos ito pa. Ay, oh, ayan. Okay, guys. That's more.
Cause I'm out getting mine, shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready for the chumps on the wall, the chumps acting ill because I'm full of 8 balls. Gunshot, brains out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shell. Falling on the concrete real fast, jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get away before the jack is jacked.
Wala lang.
You know what I mean?
Bakit?
You're running all the dope fiends.
Okay, siya.
Yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook where my DJ revolves it.